Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are checking out these face exfoliating scrubs that were sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you. This comes in a pack of 2, and these are so good for scrubbing your face, getting your skin exfoliated, helping it feel fresh and clean. These are dual-sided, so you've got a more exfoliating, and this is a very gentle, like this is specifically for your face or more sensitive areas, but this is very gentle. And then this side, you flip it around, it's almost like a fuzzy, velvety type texture to soothe your skin as well. You've got a nice elastic band here so it can securely go on your hands, and you can throw these in the washing machine, let them air dry, and they're fresh for your next job. So love these. They're so soothing on the face, really helps it feel nice and smooth and all the good things. So I hope you enjoy these as much as I do.